Welcome to a powder day, Loveland, Colorado, USA.
Hi, Mom!
It's Zachary Baker, Clear Creek Ski Bikes. We got Austin, we got Kyle, we got Sean Green.
We got the whole
First chair.
thing.
Yep. Helly Mike, Kokomo Joe.
And your buddy? He cut off you.
We didn't cut off anybody.
He cut
We
off
were here
you.
since 7:45.
He cut off you. Hey, guys.
What do you think, chat? Who's in the right? Who's in the wrong? No friends on a powder day. Singles line is moving up. They might just let the singles line load. Heated arguments in line this morning. Is it going to be a border cross, skier cross from top to bottom?
Only through the lift line.
Only through the lift line. No, I think it might continue on the hill. Got some wind drift powder turns. Oh, that just cracked. Loveland, Colorado, USA. 7 inches of fresh pow. Some surf slashes. Woo! Okay, second run. Riding pretty nice. Just drift after drift. There's that wind. A little low visibility. Got some wind drift powder turns. Oh, that just cracked. All right, lift 8 is open apparently. Curious to see how the snow will be back here. 1 foot. Pow. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna put my other foot in. Oh, yeah, this is nice. On track through the woods. Yeah, Helly Mike. Let's get some 8. Thank you. Thanks. Sure seems like they just opened this.
We did.
Okay, here we go. Here we are on lift 8. Trailer Tom, Helly Mike. It's winter as frig today.
Oh, winter is just a kicking.
Yep, I'm on the Academy Graduate 159 centimeter wide for the POW. Are we having fun yet?
Oh, we're hiding.
Here we go, Helly Mike. Let's get some POW. I'm talking about. Woo. Yeah. Good POW. So just Hollywood style right underneath the chair, but it is deep.